Hi everyone, I am Gautam, I am physics faculty. Now I am going to discuss the thermal properties of matter problem. Actually, we know that in expansions of solids, if you observe the topic of solids expansion, there we explain solids expansion especially like a linear expansion, areal expansion and volume expansion or cubical expansion. Three categories we make the expansions of solids. In linear expansion, we use a term called alpha. It is called coefficient of linear expansion. And in areal means beta. It is called coefficient of areal expansion. For volume expansion, we will discuss it as gamma. Gamma is called coefficient of volume expansions. Whenever we take the solids are expanding, if you take lengthwise expansion, then we use the term alpha to explain the nature of material, and area wise expansion we use beta for explaining the nature of material, and volume we discuss with gamma. So here alpha, beta, gamma are the coefficients of expansions in solids. One is linear, areal and volume expansion. Now here the question is, what is the relation between alpha and beta and gamma? So first of all, what we know is alpha is to beta is to gamma is equal to, the relation between them is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Actually the question is very direct question. Actually we have the derivation also for this one, but as for the problem now I am not going to discuss the derivation. Simply the relation between alpha, beta, gamma is 1 is to 2 is to 3. So okay, it is a very direct simple problem. So if they are asking for relation between suppose beta and alpha, I can write it as beta is equal to 2 alpha. Because observe here, alpha is to beta is to gamma is 1 is to 2 is to 3. So from that information what I can write here, beta is equal to 2 alpha. Because beta and beta is related to what corresponds to 2. So beta is equal to 2 alpha. And gamma is equal to what should I write? 3 alpha. So beta is 2 alpha, gamma is 3 alpha. And if you divide gamma and beta, 3 alpha by 2 alpha, alpha cancel. I can write gamma equal to 3 by 2 beta, or I can write it as beta is equal to 2 by 3 gamma, beta equal to 2 by 3 gamma. So here we can make the different relations, because beta is equal to 2 alpha, gamma equal to 3 alpha. From this above expression I can understand very clearly, because they mention that simply alpha is to beta is to gamma is what? 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, for this problem we know the relation, this one already discussed in detail. So it is very simple. But if they ask beta and alpha means beta is equal to alpha, gamma and alpha means gamma is equal to 3 alpha, and gamma and beta if you divide will get gamma equal to 3 by 2 beta, or I can write beta is equal to 2 by 3 gamma also. And one more formula I can write, gamma is equal to alpha plus beta. Gamma I can also write alpha plus beta. Observe here, beta is equal to what I wrote? 2 alpha. Beta means 2 alpha. So alpha plus 2 alpha is what? 3 alpha. So now what are the total relations I can write here? Alpha is to beta is to gamma is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So beta is equal to 2 alpha, gamma is equal to 3 alpha, and gamma equal to 3 by 2 beta, beta is equal to 2 by 3 gamma, and we can also write gamma as alpha plus beta. These are the relations between alpha, beta and gamma. I hope you are clear with the relations of alpha, beta, gamma. Actually this question concerns directly, this one we know, everyone knows, is a very simple question actually. But if they ask any other things, we can relate all these things in this way. These relations we are discussing under isotropic conditions. That means in all the directions properties are same in x-axis and y-axis, z-axis. Isotropic solids. For isotropic solids we can take these relations. So this is the problem, alpha beta gamma relation, very simple, 1:2:3 over. Then we will see one more problem now. Observe carefully here. Here they wrote that the length of the metal rod is 5 meter. Observe carefully, the length of the metal rod is how much they told? The length of the metal rod is 5 meters at 0 degree centigrade. So L naught is equal to L naught, 0 degree centigrade means length at 0 degree centigrade is equal to 5 meters. And observe carefully here. That is, it becomes 5.01 meter on heating up to how much temperature? 100 degree centigrade. So 5.01 meter it becomes when heating at 100 degree centigrade. So here let me write LT is equal to 5.01 meter. The T is nothing but how much? 100 degree centigrade. So what I did here, I am reading the question. Length of metallic rod is 5 meter at 0 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade means let me write it as L naught is 5 meter and becomes 5.01 meter at 100 degree centigrade. Let me write some T degrees. The T is 100 only, no doubt. T is 100 degree centigrade I wrote here, and I wrote here LT equal to 5.01 meter. They are asking linear expansion of metal will be. What is linear expansion of metal? Very simple and straightforward problem it is. So what is alpha? Alpha is coefficient of linear expansion. It is not linear expansion you have to call. You have to call it as coefficient of linear expansion. So LT minus L naught by L naught into T. L naught into T. I am telling one secret beta. Suppose I didn't see these options. Suppose I didn't see options. And they are asking if I didn't check the options, and suppose they are asking simply what is linear expansion. Linear expansion if they are asking means, linear expansion means nothing but what? Change LT minus L naught. This is called as linear expansion. Generally, if I don't find options, what I will do for finding linear expansion means, don't forget, here simply change in length. LT minus L naught is called linear expansion. Alpha is not linear expansion. Alpha is called coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of linear expansion is a very dangerous, because as per the options considered, okay, I thought it is alpha. If options are not there, I would have done only this one. I would not find alpha, because alpha is not linear expansion. You have to catch my point. What I am saying is, alpha is not linear expansion. Alpha is coefficient of linear expansion. And this LT minus L naught is linear expansion. Change in length is called linear expansion. I hope you are clear till here and you understood about this one. Now what I want? Alpha. That means what should I write? Directly substitute in the formula. Their formula is there ready made. We have made it the formula there. Just substitute in that one. Let me substitute there. So here observe carefully now. What should I write? Alpha is equal to LT 5.01 minus 5 by L naught 5 into T 100. So 0.01 by 500. If you solve this one, you will get the answer. So you will get the final answer as 2 into 10 power minus 5 per degree centigrade. That is how to solve this problem. So length of metal rod is given and it is changing, it is the length given, and temperature is given. Just they are finding, they are asking to find alpha. What is alpha? Coefficient of linear expansion. I hope you are clear. Coefficient of linear expansion is LT minus L naught by L naught into T. Just apply the data into the formula, you will get the beautiful answer. Okay.